Guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price, because as I just took a look at the charts, I found something very, very interesting that could actually be one of the most important indicators we have to look out for in the upcoming weeks to find out if the Bitcoin price will end its bear market here, or we will actually see a continuation of this bull run into the next year. So if you want to find out what that is and what chart I'm talking about, then make sure to stick around till the very end of this video. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, activate the bell, and smash up a like on this video. Maybe we can reach 2,000 likes on this video, because I'm going to show you something that you haven't seen on my channel before, guys. So I can already promise you it's something very, very interesting. First of all, on the Bitcoin price, nothing really has changed. I already told you yesterday that we need to see breakouts above these very important downward sloping resistances here on the bigger time frames, like the 12 hourly, to even have a chance of a reversal, because so far we are still in a very bearish trend also on the weekly time frame. So everything that is happening on the 1 hour or 4 hour even is pretty much relatively irrelevant. We for sure need a bullish breakout on the bigger time frames like the 12-hour daily to have a chance of reversing this weekly chart to the upside. But this is not actually what I want to talk about, because this I already talked about in yesterday's video. No, I want to take a look at the DXY. The DXY shows us the strength compared to 6 other currency pairs of the US dollar. So this is also relevant for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is trading against the US dollar. So for Bitcoin, it's for sure harder to pump if the DXY is extremely bullish, so the US dollar is actually gaining in value. This other way around, it's the same. If the US dollar is losing in value, it's way easier for Bitcoin to increase against the US dollar. This is just common sense. And also, for sure, this is what big institutional players entering Bitcoin and leaving Bitcoin on an actively basis are for sure looking at, because they are looking to make profits in the US dollar. So this is also something relevant for them, the strength of the US dollar in the moment they are going in or out of Bitcoin. And right now we are seeing something very interesting. We are actually heading with the US dollar strength, or with the DXY, we are heading against the resistance that we haven't broken within the last couple of years, since 2016, where we tested it the last time, or 2017 to be exact. And I personally think that if we should see a rejection here, and this can actually take 1 or 2 more months here to be to happen, or to be visible for us in the charts. But if this happens, I think this would be one of the best indications for us to know that we have a big chance of a Bitcoin reversal happening exactly at the time where actually the US dollar starts losing strength again. I think this is where it then gets interesting for people to go into Bitcoin again as a hedge, and also it just makes it easier for Bitcoin to gain value against the US dollar. And this is why I'm actually not only waiting here for us to break, for example, above this downward sloping resistance on the 12-hourly time frame, which we still have to break in the near future, because I don't think that Bitcoin will trade within this downward sloping channel here forever. I'm very sure that we will see a breakout out of this channel till the end of this month, so during December. So we for sure need to still keep an eye here on the 48,000 to 49,000, or pretty much now at the 12-hourly candle, the highest would be the 48,000. Yeah, we pretty much have to keep an eye on the $48,500 level. This is the level I'm still keeping an eye on to break to the upside. If this happens, I will actually scale up my long positions massively. As you guys know, I'm still right now in very low leveraged long positions that I just opened recently after the dump. When we pumped back above the $46,000 level, I said, okay, this is a good reversal chance, but still it was very unsure, so I only choose a leverage of 3 to 5x for my long position. So I'm actually even ready for another dump to the downside to the $40,000 level, for example, where we find this very important VPVR support I also showed you in my last video. So I'm prepared for this situation. I'm prepared for a dump to $40,000. I would even be prepared with my positions for a quick wick into the mid $30,000 without getting liquidated, because for sure sooner or later the Bitcoin price will reverse. The question here is just, it's a little bit of a matter of time. Now holiday season is coming up, so the interest might also be a little bit lower right now. People have a lot to do. They need to prepare for the holiday season, like I already said. They take time with their family, and also then Bitcoin is just in general not looking really interesting. So a lot of people are actually taking this chance to get away a little bit from the crazy volatility of Bitcoin and to take a quick break. And this is why I don't really assume that over the holiday season we will see any crazy price movement to the upside. I think rather a dump is more likely, or even just a further more consolidation here for the next couple of days, or for exactly the next 2 weeks. Before then, I think we have a good chance to reverse after the new year. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell, and we are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye bye.